Hello. Okay, look, I was trying to go live, but it was not working for me. And I had to stop. I'm trying to crochet a sweater for somebody. Make sure it's ready uh, before Christmas. Well, they'll have it way in the beginning of December, but yeah, so the box is on top of their sweater. But look, it just came. It just got here. My Bridgerton happy planner, period. I feel like I should be talking with my little accent. This is, oh my gosh. Okay, so we about to be surprised together. Oh my gosh. You know what? Hold on. Look, I'm all excited and didn't even cut off the tape that was at the bottom. Now, from what I'm hearing, they are sold out. This, they sent an email a few weeks before they said it was going to launch, and I knew that I was going to get it. I put it on my calendar because I love Bridgerton. I actually read the book before I watched the series, but when I watched the series, oh, I was sold. I was like, oh, shut up. Okay, period. So I feel like this should be my Lady Whistledown. Look at this. This author finds herself compelled to share the most curious of news. Oh my gosh. I told you that Lady Whistledown. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this box. I am so excited. This is my Christmas present to myself. All right. So look at this. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay. Finally got that open. Look at this. Lady Whistledown Society Papers. On a happy note, your Bridgerton Be Happy box has arrived. Oh my gosh. This is too cute. And it tells you, let me see, dearest gentle readers, in my greatest honor to present to you our exclusive Bridgerton Be Happy box. Be properly prepared to shine the brightest next season with these exquisite items. Oh my goodness. The notebook, the folded field paper, 30 sheet sticker book, snap-in bookmark, sticky notes, note cards, and envelopes, wax sticker seals, and a feather pen. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, the little wax seals. Oh my goodness, hold on you guys. Okay, so these are cards that you can send out. On a happy note, Lady Whistledown Society Papers. This just in. This is too cute. You can write your own little note inside of there. This author finds herself compared to share the most curious of news. This is too cute. Do you hear me? I'm not using these cards. I'm not sending them to nobody, period. This is too cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And then, of course, these are the envelopes that go with that. But these are the wax. Look at those. That you can seal the envelopes with. That is too cute. And this is just a notepad, but it's like the like the mirrors or the picture frames from that during that time. And here is the sticker book. Okay, we're gonna flip through there in a second. Oh my gosh, look at this pen. I feel like I should have on my gloves. Oh my gosh, this pen. Okay, we're gonna open that up too. Lady Whistle Down Society papers. Little notes. Yep, we could put in there. This is too cute. Oh my gosh. And I said I wasn't going to buy no more Happy Planner stuff. But see and be seen. Ooh wee. I'm going to open this up so we can see the other one. Okay, that was it. It was just this one. Okay, so it was just that. This is the bookmark. I thought it was two because of this up under there. And okay, we'll look at that. But yeah, I had said I wasn't going to get any more Happy Planner stuff since I already have all the calendars and filler paper that I need for right now. But you know, I love Bridgerton. I read the book twice. I watched the show 4 times already on Netflix. So, yeah. I love it. So let's flip through. Look at these stickers. Ooh, I love this. But also, the Bridgerton Happy Planner is just, it can be a journal if I decide to use it that way, which I probably will. Maybe, maybe not, not sure. Oh my gosh. Diamond of the Battle. Look at this. Focus on finding your wings. All is fair in love and war. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. Flowers need time to bloom, so do you. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And look at the little bees and the silhouettes. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at this. And you know what? I was looking on Happy Planner's Instagram page, and they are already sold out of this. Yes, already sold out. So I'm like, oh my gosh. This, yeah, I'm not the only Bridgerton fan in Shondaland. But this, I love this. This is so beautiful. I'm loving it. Look at that. They got them in different colors. Do, send, buy, mail, pickup, call. So these stickers, yeah, I wouldn't use this for my journal. No. Dare to begin. I don't know. I'm going to do something with this. Oh, to-do list. Today. Notes. So I'm using the camera instead of me putting y'all on hold to grab my glasses to read these So that's why you see me zooming in, because I can zoom in with the camera to read it instead of getting my glasses. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. I'm so loving this. Ooh, I like this. I can work with this. I got something planned for this. Okay. I think we're at the end. Yep. We are. Okay. Let's move this out the way and open up the pen. Okay. This pen. But unfortunately, I have to have it out when my grandkids are not around because my grandson will tear this up. This is cute. I'm loving it. I love this. Yes. And you see, yes. Oh my gosh. Period. Love it. And it's, yep, it's gold. And I'm twisting it close. Okay. Yeah. So you twist it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I am loving it. I feel like I should have on gloves doing this. Okay. Let's move this out of the way. Because from what I'm hearing, we could use this paper and turn it into a front and back cover for the Happy Planner. And since it just has the mirrors on it, yeah, I seen somebody do it, but not with this, with different tissue paper. Hold on. So I will put that up and keep it. These metal discs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dearest gentle reader, did you miss me? I am loving this. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. And these look like, okay. I thought it had the same silhouette on the metal disc. Okay. But it don't. Oh, this is so, oh my gosh, you guys. I'm loving it. Look at this. Oh, I got the paper. Okay. Let's just flip it over to the back real quick. If it will cooperate with me. I know. That is too cute. Okay. I needed 2 hands to get that up out of there. But yeah, here is the divider tabs. Now see this? Okay. This is how these divider tabs should be for the months. Why can't they do the months like this? So you can reuse them, but this is just paper. And see, it has the symbols on off to the side. Yeah, it's on both sides. Almost match the color of my nails, huh? But your move, Your Majesty. This is cute. And of course, more paper. Okay. Lady Whistledown Society Papers. There is nothing quite like the sweet scented smell of success. It's clear the season won't be quite so fragrant for everyone. This is cute. I like the opposite side of this. Oh, this is too cute. And, oh, here we go. I like this. I'm loving this. Okay. I'm probably having difficulties because I'm trying to one hand everything and hold the camera with the other. But yes, I'm loving it. It's not real big. It's just a journal or whatever you want to do with it, but I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I am loving it. So I wanted to get this posted. I will see you in the next video, and happy holidays.